welcome back to another mail day video. So let's see what we have today. We have, ooh, very sick. So we have a production line of Sean O'Malley, and it is a green flood. So cool. So Sugar Sean O'Malley can win in a flash. He has 2 first-round knockouts in his first 6 UFC wins. He can also go long, as he's proved during a fight of the night bonus winning effort versus Chris Mouthnaho at UFC 264. O'Malley landed 230 significant strikes before the bout was waved off with 27 seconds remaining. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure I saw that fight, so I might have to check that out. So super sick. I love the green floods. They're so sparkly. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my next video.